Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15FD. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your HP 15FD turns on but the screen remains blank, you're not alone. This can happen due to a faulty display or a loose connection inside the laptop. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making it even more costly to repair. So, let's get started on fixing this issue. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen for your HP 15FD. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Then, carefully remove the back panel using the spudger to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Gently pry it open, taking care not to force it, as this can crack the casing. Once you have access to the internals, locate the display connector. This is usually positioned near the hinges of the laptop. Carefully detach the connector by lifting the locking tab with your tweezers. Be gentle here, as these components can be quite delicate. Now, unscrew the faulty screen from the hinges using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws securing it in place. Once removed, lift the screen away from the laptop, being cautious of any cables attached to the back. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place by screwing it back with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Once the screen is mounted, reconnect the display connector, ensuring the locking tab is securely fastened. Finally, replace the back panel of the laptop by snapping it back into position. Make sure all clips are secure. Now, power on your device to verify that the new screen is functioning correctly. If you see your display light up, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your laptop is kept in a safe environment, away from excessive heat or moisture. Regularly check connections and ensure your device is handled with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.